guys, in today's episode of Taste of the Town, I am in the Keys, Florida. We're in Marathon, the home of Keys Fisheries. Keys Fisheries supplies Whole Foods with all of their chowders and soups. Some really delicious stuff, and if you guys have seen my vlog on Whole Foods, you'll know that we love it. So today I'm taking you guys to show you what Keys Fisheries has in store for you. I highly recommend their Lobster Ruben, the most delicious sandwich you'll ever eat in your entire life. So make sure if you're ever planning a trip to the Keys, be sure to visit Keys Fisheries.
Get your food, you come here, you dress it, and you take your utensils. So here we have the fish taco. So you get 2 tacos with fried mahi-mahi pieces. This is the Lobster Ruben, and it comes with coleslaw, pickles, and fries. This is the mahi-mahi sandwich. This one comes on a bun, and it comes with the coleslaw and the fries. This is the snapper. This also comes on a bun with coleslaw and fries. And here I have the conch salad and a smoked fish dip. Thank you. And this is their famous rum cake. And here they also have the open bar. Jelly beans, your food is ready, jelly beans. So here we have stone crab, soup, conch chowder, lobster bisque, and we have lobster chowder. And their stuff is really good, guys. If you've never had it, trust me, it's good. Here we have lobster tails. These are $25.95 per pound. And they have some bigger ones here. Here they have their smoked fish dip, crab and spinach dip, conch salad, cocktail sauces and tartar sauces. These are their stone crab floors. They have scallops, shrimp, whole lobsters. The lobsters are at $11.95 a pound, which are caught fresh daily, and some other fish.
So guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's taste of the town at Keys Fisheries. They have such a wide variety with affordable pricing. So if you guys visit, make sure and let me know down below in the comments if you go or if you've been there before and what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you another day with another one of my videos. Bye.